Hi, I'm Bridget. I'm part of the academic team at Ansys. We are delighted to be supporting the IMechE Design Challenge, which brings together engineering students from across the country to design, create, present, and then run a device to strict technical specifications. Ansys is supporting the Design Challenge because it presents the perfect opportunity for students to test and apply their skills and knowledge in a practical way. A real-life scenario where cross-functional skills need to be consolidated in a team of individuals working together to solve a problem which is bound by time and budget, just like you'd find in real life. And this allows students to use new technology to innovate and provide solutions. As the world of engineering continues to evolve, so do the skills that are required to be successful in that field. Simulation is a powerful computational technique that's used to analyze and solve structural, thermal, and fluid dynamics and other physical problems. With Ansys simulation software, teams can test different design iterations, optimize their designs, and discover how the final product will react in real-world conditions before building a single thing. And this saves them time and money. Not only that, using the tools for material selection will help students to choose the best performing materials for their device and then carry out an eco-assessment of their design and have some understanding of the potential impact of that design on the environment and then choose what they can do differently. Ansys provides free access to the full versions of our software, our learning resources, and provides support to student teams, including teams participating in the Design Challenge. To learn more about this support, check out ansys.com/teams.